Okay, our first attempt to open the door.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, go, Yogi.
Oh. Break through the. Go, Yogi, go.
Now we have a bunch of snow in the house, guys. Genius.
Oh! Oh my god. This snow is. Hold on, back. As deep as my hips. Where's your ruler, Nicole? Yeah, that's gotta be over a meter, I think.
I don't know how great of an idea that was, but that's clear. I think she's peeing. No, she's not. She's gonna fall.
Full.
She's getting out of the car.
That's Yogi on top of the Honda. She's on top of Nicole's Honda. Oh my gosh, Yogi. We're never leaving the house again. Where'd she go? Oh, there she goes.